And now for our second variation of a rose. This is one that Mac Painter shared with me. I'm not sure if he originated it or if he picked it up somewhere. I have no idea of the origin, but I know that he shared it. Thanks, Mac. I'll send you a nickel later. I'm going to start with a white. We've got a white 160. Fladed most of the way. We're not going to use quite all of that. And then a green 160 I'm going to use for the stem. And I'll start with the green. We're going to make 3 little petals. So make a little faux twist out of about a 2.5 to 3 inch bubble. And then I'll make 2 more the same size. So that I've got a flower stem and 3 petals on the end. We'll set that aside, and now we're going to come to our white. And what we're going to need to do, there are various ways that you can get to this. This is the way that I prefer to do. Make about a 6.5 to 7 inch bubble. And you want to squeeze this as you go so that it's soft. And then you're going to fold it along itself. Make another bubble the same size, and I'll grab the knot and twist it a time or two. Secure it in there. Then twist that end of the balloon around it. And then we're going to keep repeating this till we get to 5. So here's number 3. Same size, and you can either do it as a roll through, or I'll just take the extra end and just push it through there around once to lock it. Do it again. Same size as before. Sometimes I'll do an extra time to make sure it's secured. And then for our 5th one, now for this one, again I'll twist that through there. And then we're going to take this excess off, tie it to secure it. I'll run that around once or twice to make sure it's going to stay. So now we have essentially a 5 bubble roll through. You've got 5 bubbles, makes a great little football. Then I'll just take and push the 2 twisted portions together. And then I'll take and spin a couple of the pairs of petals around each other to secure it. So now you've got a little 5 petal flower. Then we'll come back to our stem. And I'll take and I'll position the petals. You want it really tight up against it, so I'll push it up there. Then I'll take the excess stem and go around it, all the way around, and come back in the middle of the petals there, so that it pulls it nice and snug against it. And we've got 3 petals and our 5 up on top here. Now what we're going to take, one at a time, we're going to take each of these and go to the one next to it and push it halfway, almost halfway into it, just like that. Now we're going to take this one here and push it into that opening there on that one. And it helps sometimes if you grab that other side so it doesn't pull back out. And so I'll push that one in. And then just keep going. We'll take this one into that one there that we just pushed in. And then our final one. And again, the one that we just pushed in. And then this is the one that we just finished. This is the one that we started with. Push that back into that one. And then sometimes you'll have to kind of work it to get them all even. Just kind of keep working them up in there. So you get them all pretty close to even and secured. The main thing is you don't want it coming undone once you're through with it. And so that you get a lovely little rose. Just like that.